Now, the price action on Shiba Inu coin has been down for quite some time now, but over the last week or so, it's really been sitting steady. And sometimes the steadiness is worse than the decline. And that has to do with the fact that people have very short attention spans and they get bored very quickly. But this could be the beginning of a very nice upside move. Now, I know you've seen a lot of the technical analysis saying that we've broken out of this descending wedge here, these lower highs, that have been hit, and these lower lows that have been hit. We already have broken out to the upside here. We're just not seeing the confirmation. If we get the confirmation, it's going to be a very good sign. Another very good sign is the fact that, well, there's a 2,025% increase in inflows. Let's talk about it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and we're going to be going over the numbers for Shiba Inu coin in this video. A 2,000% increase in inflows is an incredible number. We're going to go over all of that, but I do want to say this, and I'm going to talk a little bit more about it at the end of the video. If you guys have not downloaded Best Wallet, you got a link down in the description below, and it's going to pull you up to the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store, depending on what phone you guys have there. It is a free download. I'm trying to work with Best Wallet here so we can get something going on and maybe give away some Shiba Inu coin, but we got to have the numbers. So go click that link, download it. It is absolutely free. All it is a cryptocurrency wallet. You know, no different than Trust Wallet, MetaMask Wallet, Binance Wallet, Coinbase Wallet, Crypto.com Wallet. You guys get it, right? It's a crypto wallet, and it doesn't cost anything. You don't have to buy anything. But if you download it, we can work with them. We can do some numbers, and we'll talk a little bit more about that at the end. But Shiba Inu coin has been in a narrow range over the last week or so. And the dog-themed cryptocurrency has been seen a staggering 2,025% surge in large holder inflows, not necessarily outflows, so this is a very good sign, signaling renewed interest from large holders referred to as whales. This sudden spike has sparked speculation about what might be going on and what it means for Shiba Inu coin's next move. It says, according to Into the Block data, Shiba Inu coin large holder inflows, which estimates the funds flowing into whale addresses, increased by more than 2,025% this week, reaching 6.26 trillion Shiba Inu coin on March 20th. Dude, I wish I don't have 6.26 trillion Shiba Inu coin. I wish that I did, but I do not. That is a very large amount for these whales to be buying in a single week. It goes on to say the increase in large holder inflows may have two implications. Number one, large holder inflows could indicate that considerable buying activity is taking place. This is the case because many of these addresses buy on centralized exchanges and subsequently transfer their purchases to cold storage. And if you're looking, a cold or decentralized wallet that you could be transferring to is Best Wallet. Now, a centralized exchange, this is the one that I like to use right now, is KSEX. You guys got a link for that down there as well. One thing that you guys could do, you could go out, you could buy Shiba Inu coin on the KSEX exchange if you want, and then transfer it over to your decentralized Best Wallet. Or it is just as easy to use fiat to buy Shiba Inu coin out on this wallet as well. It's all whatever your preference is, whether you guys like buying and selling and transferring and then simply holding on a decentralized exchange or decentralized wallet and so on. Spikes in large holder inflows can also indicate price bottoms because whale addresses prefer to buy in large quantities after significant corrections, impacting inflows. And wouldn't it look, very few people. I've been buying. I haven't bought any Shiba Inu coin in a while. I've got a lot of Shiba Inu coin already. I'm trying to use this time to diversify my portfolio and really set up for the upcoming bull market rally and the run and all of that. But if Shiba Inu coin is bottoming, right, the what I do hold is going to be very, very impressive as the price bounces back up. I am beyond excited. And I know you guys are excited too. Very few of you that are remaining, but you're very excited as well. And that's what I like to see because the rest of the market, those that are trying to leave, are sitting at a level of 27 fear. Guys, the market is very, very fearful right now. And the only thing that we have to do to beat the rest of them, right, to overcome all of this, is ignore the emotion. And I know it's a lot easier said than done, but we can do it. Simply look at the logic, look at the numbers, remind yourself you're supposed to buy low and sell high. You're not supposed to sell low, which is what the fear is causing people to do, and buy high, which is what people do when they're greedy. So please keep that in mind. Buy low and sell high, right? It says at the press time, Shiba Inu coin was up 1.63% in the last 24 hours to 1274 points per coin, and that is basically right where it's at today, 1284 points per coin at the time that I'm recording the video. Several digital assets traded in the green, reversing Friday's declines. Now, Shiba Inu coin is largely traded in a range since its decline from a high of 1382 on March 16th. Now, since March 18th, the range has tightened. Shiba Inu coin trading between 1227 and 1300 points per coin. As traders wait for the market's next move, with renewed whale interest, however, attention is focused on Shiba Inu coin's next resistance levels. If momentum continues, Shiba Inu coin could see further gains, potentially testing key price targets very shortly. And I hope that it does. I'm just going to be completely honest with all you guys. I don't know when sentiment is going to shift. Things are looking okay over the last couple of weeks here. We can go all the way back to, what is this date here? The beginning of March, right? March 2nd, 20 days ago, 3 weeks ago. Shiba Inu coin has really been holding up steady in this level. If it breaks back up to the upside very, very quickly, Shiba Inu coin can run. You guys can see when SHIB runs, it runs fast. It took a couple of days to go from this 1300 point per coin level all the way back up to 22. Took a couple of days to go from 1600 all the way up to 3000. So when Shiba Inu coin does see moves to the upside, it is very explosive, which means that if you guys are trying to time it, it's very difficult, if not impossible, to time Shiba Inu coin's runs, which is why we have to accumulate now. Now, finishing this article out, it says, with that said, a break above the 50 and 200 period moving averages around 1440 and 1900 will be the first indicators of a bull recovery. In the case of a decrease, 1080 points per coin is expected to be support. And to coincide with that, you guys can see right here, obviously 1080 points per coin was the wick down that we had seen. You know, major support at 1000 points per coin, but they're using that wick down as support. And then the 50 period exponential moving average right here, about 1470 points per coin. And then the 200-day exponential moving average, about 1,800 points per coin. The simple moving averages may be slightly different, but I got exponential moving averages on my screen right here. So those are the levels that we would need to get back up above in order to indicate that we are in a bullish scenario for Shiba Inu coin once again. Now, do not forget, you guys got links down in the description below for the KSX exchange. I mean, by far the best centralized exchange I've seen in the U.S. Not only can you guys get all of these cryptocurrencies, basically any crypto that you would like, even Picoin. A lot of people buying Picoin right now because it's back down below $1. Best selection of meme coins I have seen in the United States. And they do have futures fees on SHIB right now, 0%, with 100x, up to 100x trading available. You can move this basically anywhere you want between 5x leverage and 100x leverage. And then if you want to buy on a centralized exchange like KSX, you want to trade there, great, very low fees. And if you want to hold, I'm trying my best, guys. If we can pad the numbers a little bit, we might be able to work with Best Wallet, get something going on there. So use that link down in the description below. Download these guys. I've been using them for about 6 months now. Really like this app. The user interface is great. I don't know. I got no complaints about it as a cryptocurrency app. I think it's easier than MetaMask. I've used MetaMask for a while. Don't necessarily like it. Coinbase Wallet, I have that, but I don't really use that. I didn't really like it too much. I like Trust Wallet. I still use Trust Wallet, but I use Best Wallet as well. So make sure to click that download button. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.